can give me all your love, oh, make I be your sponsor. Show me where they bend, oh,
What's up, you guys? So we back with another one. So today I'm going to be doing a temporary color on my hair. I'm using the color Bold Gold, and I'm just going to be putting this on the top part of my hair. And then we're going to be styling her into a cute style afterwards. So let's just hop right into it.
Everybody in the club keep asking where she from, who she with now.
So we're just going to start brushing the top part up into a ponytail, because this is going to be a half up, half down look. And after we put her in a ponytail on the top, I'm going to bun her off so I can get started refreshing my hair in the back. So here I'm just using my spray bottle, getting my hair wet, refreshing my curls. And then I'm going to take some of my Creme of Nature hair moisturizer and rub that all through these curls. And here I'm using my curling gel, which is also by Creme of Nature, and it smells so good. But yeah, I'm just going to be rubbing that into my hair as well, just to define my curls and give it some elongation. So now that our hair is all moisturized, I'm going to be taking my temporary hair color spray, and I'm just going to be spraying 1/2 of the top part of my hair. Yes, we're going to be like doing a Cruella de Vil type look today. Okay, so now we're just going to take some tissue and clean off that forehead. Next, we're going to take our ponytail and we're just going to wrap her up into a nice little bun. And after that, we're just going to make sure we secure her with some hairpins. And to top this look off, I'm just going to get some edge control and do my edges.
It's the life. You're blinded by her fashions. All my ladies holla. All together now. That girl my type. Everybody in the club keep asking where she from, who she with now. All together now. Come on now, look.
And boom, baby, there it is. I think she turned out really cute. It's my first time trying the half color, so I hope you guys liked it too. But I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.